This movie will talk about importing images. You can import images the same way as you can fonts, objects, or archives. First thing I want to do is come over to my server folder. I want to highlight the project folder or folder where I want to import my images. I'm going to create a new folder, so I'm going to click and drag the F button, drag it into a project, and I'm going to name it Images. I'm going to click OK. Then I'm going to highlight this folder. I'm going to come over here and make sure my I tab is highlighted. Then I'm going to come over to my import button and navigate to the folder where I have my images. Now when I find the folder that my images are on, notice nothing shows up. We also have this drop down here that we need to change to images. And once we do that, here is a list of our images. Now we can import TIFFs, Targas, JPEGs, PNGs, Photoshop layers, doesn't matter. Once you import it, Viz will convert it to its own format. So I can click and drag and drop it into the window on the left. I can select multiple ones I want, holding down Shift, and then drag as well. Once my images are in here, you can come back, and if we navigate off of this folder for a minute, now that we have images inside of this folder, the font is bold and it tells us that there are now images within this folder.